Welcome back, moneymakers. In this video, we're gonna talk about a great autoresponder. It's called Getresponse. What an well, let me back up. What an autoresponder does is instead of you responding to every email or every lead you have, what you'll do is you'll set up a Getresponse or somebody like that, and it just automatically responds for you. Um, So there's a couple cool features. So you can get a 30-day trial, no obligation. A 30-day trial. I'll leave the link below. That way you can um get on to the 30-day trial. But you can create different stuff. Excuse me. Like if you had already a list automated, you can add a contact list here. So say were marketing and you're a small business or something, what you'll do, you'll go and create a list, or you can upload it manually. Um, so if you had a zip drive, like say if you were a bar or somewhere that collect a lot of emails and you want to send out coupons or something, this would be a great um, way for you to get in contact with your people or your client base or whatever, even if you're like a salesman or a real estate agent. So you can actually set up your own autoresponders. I'm actually not going to go through this because they actually, when you sign up, they'll actually have a tutorial. I went through the tutorials already for you to how you set up each and every program. But you can create landing pages, newsletters, forms, um, yeah, like um, and you can integrate stuff like Facebook and let's look at some of the stuff you can integrate. You can do a web form for your Facebook if you have a website through any one of these. Yeah. So say you're running a Facebook campaign and you're running the ads and you can just kind of link that to and you can send out a form. Um, and then what they'll excuse me, what they'll do on your fan page, like say if you're a band and you want it to be interactive with your fans, you can create like a form here, and then anytime you have a show or a concert or some releasing new music, you can use that as well. Now they do actually have other features that's actually cool with this. Um, like if you want to do a webinar, for you guys that don't know what webinars is you might see it on YouTube. Click here and subscribe to my webinar. What a webinar is usually 30 minutes to an hour. I mean, it's basically you talking on camera, explaining your product. And for this, they have YouTube integration. You can actually use whiteboards and different stuff like that. So you wouldn't need like a Word, PowerPoint, or anything like that. It's screen sharing stuff. So if you have any type of screen sharing thing, so everything is kind of built in GetResponse. It wasn't like this a few years ago. Again, email marketing. Um, another thing I want to talk to you about is the auto auto funnels here. So you could create your own funnel, which is fantastic. As you can see, I talk about different products like royalty, which is a great form there. Also, ClickFunnels is another great one. But say you don't have that type of um, experience or know-how. Both of those are ClickFunnels and royalty is very easy to operate. But this is just another alternative if you find those programs not as suitable or beneficial for you. Um, So yeah, if you want to sell it like a T-shirt or ebook, you can actually build an actual funnel here. As you look at some of my previous videos, I describe of what what a funnel is and how to make a funnel and what is a funnel and how to make it and what products to use and um, how to use ClickBank versus royalty versus now Getresponse. So Getresponse is actually stepping their game up here. Um, Again, they have different things you can actually put in, and there's different integrations here. We need to integrate. Say you got a here not connected to Facebook. If you need a PayPal, so if you are selling products on here, you can link your PayPal. Etsy is another good one they link up to. Twitter, Salesforce. So they just it's just very Shopify is another good one. Um, so yeah, it's very Amazon if you're FBA ClickBank. Wow, this is something new I didn't know about. It's ClickBank. Wow, that is fantastic. That ClickBank Google Analytics. Wow, this is really surprising me here. So yeah, just click the link below to get your 30-day trial. Yeah. So yeah, this is very interactive here. I had no idea that it actually had a ClickBank on there because if you seen some of our previous and prior videos, I am a big fan of ClickBank because ClickBank you don't actually have a product; it's a more digital product. And as you know, if you look around and see your brick and mortar stores and stuff like that, the thing is going online and interactive now. Um, so you don't have to go into bookstores or sometimes you don't even have to go to gyms and stuff like that. You can actually work out at home and ClickBank has different products like that. And so I'm very a pro ClickBank and pro Shopify. Um, as you can, if you want to see some of my T-shirts and stuff, I'll leave my Shopify link too. Um, but yeah, these are fantastic. Oh wow. Facebook ads is coming soon. Wow, that is so yeah, get your 30-day trial free. Um and again, I'm not gonna actually go through a lot of this stuff because a lot of this stuff you can learn here because they actually have tutorials and you can ask it's a 24 hours here. 24-hour support. And the support is really good. I mean, soon as there's really no wait time on it. It's really it's a great program that you have here in autoresponders. And again, if you have a lot of clientele, you want to go with autoresponders and get responses is definitely number one here. Because I've tried other ones, but the other ones aren't as easy to follow, easy to set up. Um, and the tutorials are not as much, not as good, and some of the support isn't as great as it should be. And um, Getresponse is actually fantastic here. Um, Create a newsletter, automated email, create a form, landing page for your contacts. Wow, this I'm just gonna go through some of this. Wow, they got templates. Um, so yeah, wow, you can build from scratch. Let me see. Let me look at real estate. Let me see if you're into real estate or video. Thank you pages, sign up pages. Let's see, sign up. Wow, auto insurance. Yeah, if you're into auto insurance and fat burners, and wow, they got different templates. Let me just select one of these templates and see how it looks. Wow. So wow, let's see next step. Of course, they're not gonna let me go to the next step without. All right. Wow, you can actually edit all this stuff. Wow. Huh. So yeah, if you're wow, I actually have testimonials here. Call us. Wow. Yeah, let me see let you should put your Facebook. Oh, there's the button right there. Button, drag and drop. Okay. There's looks like you don't have any webinars yet. Wow. Okay. So yeah, PayPal. Use PayPal. Deactivate integrations. Oh wow. Fantastic. Fantastic. Wow. So yeah, if you go to some of those ClickBank, uh, some of those ClickBank things where they have videos and uh, yeah, so those ClickBank products have videos and stuff. You can actually build a page here, a landing page, and market that landing page and like on your social media sites. And wow, it's very good, very good, very good, very good. Let's see, go to forms and surveys. Yeah, like again, I was telling you about a tutorial. A lot of these have, since I haven't been in the forums, so I didn't have to go through that. But a lot of these already have YouTube videos here, and you could actually look at some of the ways to use this stuff. Wow, let's see, CRM. Wow. Hmm. Pipeline review. Whoa, some very good stuff here. All right, yeah. The click will be down below. Subscribe to the channel if you want more details. Look at my prior videos on how to use some of this stuff like ClickBank and ClickFunnels and Royalty. Royalty again is another funnel and marketing thing. So yeah. Wow. Click Getresponse has stepped their game all the way up. All right, guys. I'm gonna leave the 30-day trial below. Check out the Shopify store for some of the T-shirts that um you might like. You might like some T-shirts that I have on sale. And it just helps promote the channel. All right. Good day, money makers. See you next time.